Hi, topic is loss functions and its derivatives. In simple terms, the loss function is a method of evaluating how well our algorithm is modeling our dataset. Loss function quantifies the difference between its predicted output and the actual target values. It is also known as cost function and error function. It can be categorized into two types. One is regression and another one is classification. Regression is nothing but it is a supervised machine learning technique which is used to predict continuous values. It is also used to capture the relationship between independent and dependent variables. Here we have two loss functions for regression tasks. One is mean square error, another one is mean absolute error. Here mean square error quantifies the magnitude of the error between predicted and actual by taking the average of the squared difference between these two, predicted and actual values. And this is the mean square error formula, 1 by n summation I equal to 1 to n and yi minus yi cap whole square. Here n is the number of samples in the dataset and yi is the target value and yi cap is the predicted value. This is the derivative of this mean square error. And next one is mean absolute error. It calculates the average of the absolute difference between predicted and actual across the dataset. Here this is the formula, mean absolute error equal to 1 by n summation I equal to 1 to n mod yi minus yi cap. Here n is the number of samples, y is the target value and yi cap is the predicted value. And this is the derivative. This is the derivative of MAE. Next, classification. Classification is also a supervised machine learning method where the model is trying to predict the correct label of a given input data. In this classification, the model is fully trained on trained data and then it is evaluated on test data before being used to perform prediction on nuance in data. Here we have two loss functions for classification problems. One is binary cross entropy and this is also known as log loss functions, and this is a formula, log loss equal to minus 1 by n summation I equal to 1 to n yi log yi cap plus 1 minus yi into log 1 minus yi cap. Here yi is the actual values and yi cap is predicted values. N is the number of samples in dataset. This is the derivative of the binary classification and this is the derivative formula. And this binary cross entropy is used to for binary classification problems. Another one is categorical cross entropy. It is used for multi-class classification tasks and this is a formula, loss equal to minus summation j equal to 1 to k yj into log yj cap. Here k is the number of classes in the data, yj is the actual values and yj cap is the predicted values. And this is a derivative of the categorical cross entropy, and this is about loss function and its derivatives. Thank you.